Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to change the pinned conversation emoji on your Snapchat app. Like most emoji in Snapchat app, you can also fully customize the icon used to show a pinned person or a conversation. To do that, open up your Snapchat app. Now tap on your Bitmoji at the top left, then tap on settings icon at the top right. Scroll down and within additional services, tap on manage. In this list, tap on friend emojis. Then from this list, scroll all the way down and tap on pinned conversation. Now from this page, select what emoji you want to represent your pinned conversation. It can be a smiley face or a hand gesture, anything you like. Once you've chosen it, tap on the back button several times until you return back to the chat window. And that is how to change the pinned conversation emoji on Snapchat. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you enjoyed it or it was helpful, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. I create similar tutorials on a daily basis, so please consider subscribing to see more. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.